This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices RW Towne Realty property video is presented by Diane Keeley. Custom one-owner home in sought-after Whalehead Club. So close to the ocean, 2-lot, 3rd row. And the beach access make this the perfect vacation home. 5 bedrooms, 4 full baths, open floor plan, lots of natural light throughout. Spacious great room with dining area, kitchen plus breakfast bar and walk-in pantry. Enjoy the bonus ship's watch area to play games or read while still being a part of the action. Wrap-around decks, plenty of yard space, almost an half-acre for a pool, fire pit and more. This home is ready for your updates and special touches. November 14, 2024. For more information, review the details below or contact Diane Keeley at 757-477-8577.